called? The plane, I guess. First, take this and fold it down about maybe a quarter of the way down, like that. And you fold that in half. Oh, tired. Like that. Yay. And you fold the corner. Oh, like that. Like that. Oh, then you do the same with the other side. So it looks like that on both sides. And you get the tape, some tape. Gulp. The tape. And you tape it. And you tape these two together. Yay. Like that. Then, on both sides, you tape this to the paper. So it looks like that. And do it on both sides. So it looks like that, and that. And then you fold this like that. You fold it out, and you fold these down for the wings. You're gonna need to go get some scissors right now for the next part. You get the scissors, bring these up, make sure they're even, and you so it looks like that. Then if you want to, you can tape these together like that. So it looks cool. Like that. My cat is with me, right there. Oh no. She just sat in front of the camera. Oh, there's my mom's phone again. And it looks like that.